Hey everybody, welcome back to Parks and Pizza. It's lunchtime, I'm starving, and I'm very happy to report we have another Trader Joe's video, and this one's gonna be chicken parmesan from Trader Joe's. It says chicken breast parmesan with marinara sauce. It looks real good. That's the back, and I can't wait to try it. It says boneless breaded chicken cutlet with mozzarella cheese and homemade style marinara sauce. Home style, classic Italian style. Just heat and serve. 1 pound package. It's pretty big, but I think I can get to the bottom of it. Trader Joe's chicken parm and marinara sauce. Nutritional facts: service per container 2, calories 310, calories from fat 130, total fat 15 grams, saturated fat 4 grams, cholesterol 80 milligrams, sodium 680 milligrams, total carbs 12 grams, fiber 1 gram, sugar 2 grams, protein 32 grams. Those are your nutritional facts of Trader Joe's chicken breast parm with marinara sauce. Let's go make it. It says 25 minutes at, what is it, 350 in the oven. That should do it. I'll see you guys in 25 minutes. So here's the finished product. I'm actually very impressed by the way it looks. 2 big pieces of chicken breast. Cheese is melted. Sauce was boiling. Let's try it. The price of this dish is $6.99 at Trader Joe's. It doesn't come with any sides, but you get 2 big pieces of chicken with cheese and the sauce. So without further ado, let's try the Trader Joe's chicken parm and marinara sauce. Got the big piece of chicken here. Ooh, it's hot. There it is. Smoking. It looks good. It looks real good. It smells good. It's hot. It's really hot. It cooked real well. The sauce is good. I'm really surprised how tasty the sauce is. The chicken is good. Chicken is good. Is it worth $6.99? I would say yes, because they're going to charge you $17, $18 at the restaurant for exactly the same dish. Make a little salad or a little pasta on the side, and you're good to go. It took about 25 minutes in the oven. You can microwave it too, but I don't microwave it. I think it tastes better if you do it in the oven. Real good stuff. Real good stuff. Get another bite. Some sauce on it. Really good. I'm really surprised how well it turned out. All right, from 1 to 5, I would rate this Trader Joe's chicken parm dish as 4.5. It's very good. If you like chicken parm and you have Trader Joe's nearby, get this dish. You won't be disappointed. It's quick. It's easy to make. You just pop it in the oven for 25 minutes and it's done. There's no worry, no hassle, no issues. And you get yourself a chicken parm for lunch, dinner, whenever you're hungry. That's all I got for you guys in this review. Thank you very much for stopping by. As always, this is Neil from Parks and Pizza. Thank you very much, and I'll see you guys in the next video.